What is your favorite way to enjoy banga? Is it with swallow or with rice? Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something absolutely delicious, banga soup. If you love rich, flavorful and finger-licking goodness, then this is a soup you must try. To make our banga soup, we are going to be needing the following ingredients: the Oburunbebe sticks, the banga spice, the Beletete leaves. You can use any protein of your choice, but I'm using catfish, dried fish, stockfish, meats, mixed chicken, shrimps, crabs. Then the star of the ingredients, which is the banga paste. You can use the palm nuts if you have, but I'm using the paste because I don't have the nuts available. So I'll be using salt, I'll be using Maggi, and I'll be using some peppers and onions. So now let's get into it. Get your banga paste into a big bowl. Get some hot water and turn it into the banga paste. Carefully mix it with your whisk, or you can use a spoon or a spatula, but I prefer to use the whisk because it will help me to dissolve everything together. Then while that is done, you proceed to boil your protein, add in all your spices and allow it to simmer for like 15 to 20 minutes. While my meat is boiling on the one side, I decided to boil my crabs, the shrimps and the stockfish, and down my dry fish in another pot. So I added some salt, add a little bit of Maggi, then allow that to cook for also 10 minutes. Now let's begin to combine all our ingredients together. Carefully turn the banga paste that you have dissolved with hot water into your pot. Be careful not to turn everything at once because sand is settled under the bowl. So carefully turn it slowly so that you can take out the sand. So at this stage, you add your pepper mix, then the Oburunbebe sticks. The Oburunbebe stick is one of the most important ingredients in banga soup, so don't skip it because it had that distinct flavor into your soup. So I went in with the stick and the rest of the spices for the banga soup. So I decided not to add the beletete leaves at the early stage because I will add it later on after my protein has fully cooked. So mix everything together and cover and allow to simmer. At this stage, I began to add all my proteins into the soup. I started by adding the catfish. I put in some of my chicken, the beef, the cow tripe, added everything in it, tasted for adjustments. I saw that there was need to add seasoning, so I put one seasoning cube, then added about half a tablespoon of salt. Then I went in with some of the stock water. Then stir everything together to combine. Here I began to add the rest of the proteins. I added the crabs, the dried fish, the stockfish, the shrimps, then the last of the ingredient, which is the beletete leaves. Stir everything to combine together, then allow to cook so that the soup can thicken up before I take it off the stove. And there you have it. Our perfect, rich and mouth-watering banga soup is ready. It is best served with starch, fufu, pounded yam, or any swallow of your choice. You can even serve it with white rice. I decided to pair mine with white rice. Guys, this is a must try. If you love this recipe, don't like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me in the comment section what's your favorite way to enjoy your banga soup, and let me know. Can't wait to see you in my next one. Thanks for watching, and bye.